What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how you can add countdown timer on Shopify. Now if you want to increase your sales, this really helps you guys. All you have to do, guys, you want to go to your Shopify store, and then what you need to do, guys, next you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and then you want to click on apps and sales channels. Now after that, it will take you guys to this page. What you guys need to do next is you want to click on Shopify App Store in the top right, so that you can download an app. It's free. You don't have, guys, to pay for the subscription. This is what I like about the app. It's called Countdown. Okay, it's called Countdown. Just want to search for Countdown, and I'm going to show you guys the name, the logo of the name. So as you can see, it's called Built for Shopify. That's exactly what I like about this app. You just need to click on that. It's called Essential Countdown Timer Bar. Okay, you want to click on it, and then you need to click on Install. Okay, this is the logo of that. Make sure the developer name is developer. As you can see, let me go back. The developer name is Essential Apps. Make sure it says that, so that you don't download another app. Okay, so like as you can, this is the logo of the app. It's called Essential Countdown Timer Bar. Click on Install, and then it will take you guys to another page so that you can install the app. In the top right, you want to click on Install App, and then you can start customizing the app as you wish. Click on Create a New Timer, and then it asks you guys if you want to put this in the product page or the bottom bar or cart page, or suggest a new timer. You can put this on anywhere you want. So I like to put it in the product page. Just click on Select this timer type, and then you can customize this. For example, the title, Hurry Up, or make the payment as soon as possible, or something like that. For example, Hurry Up looks like professional, and then sales ends in. As you can see, you can change this sales in. You can change everything you want. Okay, so after, guys, you customize this as you want. Then as you can see, in the date, if you want to end the countdown timer in a specific date, you can do that. Now after, guys, you customize this, you want to click on Publish in the top right. As you can see, it's a essential countdown timer app is not activated yet. If it says that, you just need to click on Activate, and it will take you guys to this page. And then you want to click on Save here. As you can see, you can activate it here, and then you want to click on Save. If it says that, but for the most part, it's not going to ask you guys. As you can see, countdown timer successfully. As you can see, now you can see this on your product page. Now you're going to go to your Shopify, and then we'll click. I'm going to reload this page, and as you can see, people will be able, guys, to see that that countdown timer on your Shopify product page. Okay. So if this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you need any help. I reply to every single comment. Okay. So like I said, guys, you just need to click here, and then you click on the product, and then you will be able, guys, to see that countdown timer, which is, as you can see here, Hurry Up. Enter the buy now. You will find their Hurry Up sales ends in X time. Okay, so like I said, if this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.